Welcome to Mash School, where we are dedicated to helping you unlock your full potential as a developer. Our mission is to provide clear, structured roadmaps that simplify the learning process for beginners, guiding them towards a successful programming career. We also support experienced developers in sharpening their skills, ensuring they stay ahead in the ever-evolving tech landscape. Whether you're just starting your journey or looking to boost your income by mastering new tools and techniques, we've got you covered. At Mash School, we dive deep into most programming languages and frameworks, offering practical, hands-on projects that prepare you for real-world challenges. Our goal is to make your learning experience smoother, brighter, and more rewarding so you can turn your passion for coding into a profitable career. And for those ready to take their learning to the next level, we offer complete courses on Udemy, filled with assignments, quizzes, and detailed lessons to solidify your knowledge. You can find a link in the description below. It would be great if you subscribe and stay tuned to our YouTube channel so you never miss out on our latest tutorials, projects, and career tips. Join us at Mash School. Let's start building your future and turning your coding skills into real opportunities.